In this video, we're going to create the SSL certificate for the root and www domain. And we will also set up a DNS validation. So we'll probably have to create DNS records for the validation, which I'll show you how to do. And later on, we'll use this certificate for CloudFront. Okay, let's take a look at our setup. Okay, so let's create a certificate. New file. Form. Resource. AWS ACM. Yeah, certificate. Certificate. DNS. Domain name. Domain name. Domain name. You can actually keep the suggestions. This is actually domain. We'll validate using and alternate names. Yes. I don't think we need this. Double check. Aye, let's apply it. Okay, so the certificate is being created. What's important is we should see it in GUI. I'm going to be using GUI for like validation and debugging. So you see, we need these two records. These two DNS records have to be created. If we look at the Route 53, our hosted zone, those records are missing. So we have to create them. To create these records, so let's try to write it. Route record AWS route record. There we go. Cert record. Yeah, certificate validation. Well, we can do what we can do is we need to get. We don't need any of the suggestions. Not very good. Let's undo this. For each to set AWS certificate domain validation options. Resource record name. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. For each. So for record, there you go. So for each record in our certificate validation options, domain name. Domain name. Name will be record name, type will be type, and value will be value. We don't need this. And then allow override true. Name equals each value name. Records will equal each value record. Yeah, record. TTL, let's set it to 60. Type, yes, type. Zone ID, no. We have already zone. Root. Is it zone ID or ID? Zone ID. Value record. Each value record. This is correct. Name will be each value name. Yes, name. Record will be value record. Okay, let's try to apply it. See if there's any mistakes. Yeah, we have a mistake here. Each value. Yeah. Okay. So it's creating. Let's go back to our certificate. You see? So we have these records, and if the DNS is wired up correctly, this should work. This certificate should become valid. Since it took us a while to set up those records, I'm sure it's exponentially backing off. So not sure what's the time period when it's going to become valid. But okay, they all created. Let's see if this certificate will become valid. It should become valid because we have this DNS records. Let's look if they look kind of correctly. CNAME 7db 616 7db 616 7db. Ah, there you go. One is already validated. This one is fine. And this one should kick in very soon. They are both. And the certificate issues. Okay, perfect. So basically, for each validation record, we create the DNS setup, and we can commit the changes. Certificate. Add certificate. Okay, I think that's all we need for now.